when you make a sale. So you're not a seller until you hear that cha-ching. I guess plain and simple as that. I was out in the cold, wasn't you? Wow. Trixie and Dixie. Y'all gonna help us pull these orders today? Huh?
Yep. Look at them. They're wanting to play in here. They've been outside playing.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
That's how they play. They've always gotten each other and flipped. They're 3 years old and they've been doing that since we got them. Every now and then you'll hear them. One's gotten too rough. I can't keep up with them.